Hello everyone, welcome back to Food Review Club. I am back in an Indian restaurant and I could not be happier. Now, we were looking around for the number one Indian where I live. We thought, we pushed it into Cambridge and we've popped up with this place. Let me just show you something pretty mental. This is Meghna, where I am right now.
Ooh.
And this is their Just Eat. Can't see it? No. This is their Just Eat profile. This caught my eye. Not only did I find them first because they were top, we've also got 3,896 reviews. You can't see it?
No.
Take my word for it. We'll do a little thing in there. An average of 5.1 stars out of 6. That is outrageous. So we've come down to get ourselves some food. I'm just speaking to the owner. And I said to him, what makes this place so special? Because that is outrageous. Do you know what he said to me? He said, brilliant. For us, it's all about the service. How many fast food outlets overlook the service aspect of their business, looking at the short-term margins, profits, and this and that? Here, service to him is top priority. He said, very rarely do we ever get any food out late to anyone. Everything's on point. I'll turn up here today and I'll see the food in front of me now. And it's all coming together. Meghna, Cambridge. So we've got our starter here, which is the sharing platter. We've got some paneer, cheese, some top end lamb cutlets and some bhaji on the side.
And chicken tikka.
Yeah, is there a piece of chicken tikka? That's a piece, yeah. Get your words out, mate. And a piece of chicken tikka. That was a real mouthful. But look, when the food's this good, and I can already see some caramelisation on the, come here, look, on the outside of that lamb. That fat looks like it's absolutely dancing. I can't wait. But how nice is that how refreshing is that to talk to someone whose number one priority is giving you, the customer, me, top end service. The rest, do the other things right and the rest will follow, but how good is that? Really, really refreshing to hear someone not only thinking about the margins, the markup of stuff. Okay, let's dish myself up. One of each, we're gonna try this. This is the starter, we're gonna have some mains coming out as well. Some lambless. Let's get straight into the lamb, shall we? So, here it is. Can you see that all right, Jeffrey? Oh my God, look at that. I feel like this is really intimate, don't you? It's just like me and you guys. Look at this, lamb. Here we go. Holy fucking shit. He said this was high end.
Oh God.
That is beautifully sweet. Lamb is quickly becoming my number one meat. When cooked properly, it is outrageously good. There's some chicken here. Look at this, look, I've got some char on that side of that chicken.
That's incredible.
Cooked at such high temperatures, very easy to overdo it. It's like biting through foam. It's like having a chicken cloud in your mouth. Outrageous. And paneer cheese as well. Paneer cheese. An absolute favourite of mine. We actually had this served at our wedding. So much better than halloumi. You don't get that rubbery, chewy, hard flavour with paneer that you do with halloumi. This really is, look, soft. Melts in your mouth, even after being cooked. Such a great cheese. Starters, onion bhaji. Oh, thought you turned that off then. Onion bhaji, excuse fingers. It's light. Wonderful spice mix in the batter. That crispiness.
Not many Indian restaurants do it like this, do they? They usually have to do it all separate.
Yeah.
So that's good.
Excuse me. That's the starters taken care of. Really, really excited to look at the mains, but first impressions, Megna, outstanding. Cambridge, it's nice actually to look on our doorstep. But Cambridge will be very proud of this. I think they're busy anyway, but they might get a bit more busy after this. Come back for the mains. Well, it's times like this where I absolutely love being a food reviewer. They come over and say, what would you want to try? And say, what's your specialities? What are people? What are you known for? What do people love? And he reeled off 5 or 6 different things. We said, okay, we'll have the lot. Have a look, Jess. Cool. So this is a particular dish. We'll go around each dish, shall we? Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a shashlik balti. Yes.
Lamb, isn't it?
Yes, you heard that right. A shashlik balti, a hybrid dish of the two. Big, big seller here at Megna. Come and have a closer look. Really looking forward to trying that. And this is a chicken babuchi.
Well done.
Yeah, thank you very much. I did my research for once. I've come back to the reviews an improved reviewer, Jess. Looking forward to diving into those two, but you guys knew I would. Got my Bombay, my sagaloo. Also gone for a keema rice. Like that. Now, that's a bit of a curveball. I'm not sure about putting the lamb mincemeat into rice, but we'll give that a go. Looks kind of cool. And another one we've ordered is onion rice, which I actually think will complement the curries very, very well. So let's just have a bit of this.
We're pretty much straight up pilau people, aren't we?
Yeah, very, very rarely do we venture from the pilau track. How have you found it so far, Jess, in here? Honest?
Oh, yeah, lush.
Is it interesting, isn't it? Like when you see somewhere on Just Eat with such massive numbers of positive reviews, and obviously they've been around for many years. However, that's impressive. For over 3,800 people to give a positive review about a certain place. Exciting, and I had to come and try it. Now, let's get in with the shashlik balti. First impressions. Is it lamb, Jess? Yeah, it is, yeah.
Yes, it is.
So, again, he said premium cuts of lamb. I'm just going to dish a little bit out, okay, Jeffrey? Look at this. Wow. Where's my spoon for that one? I'll use that one, there we go. Babuchi. This was sizzling when it came out earlier as well, by the way. Let's just try some of this.
We missed the sizzle, didn't we?
Here we go. Is this lamb as well, I think, Jess, was it? Oh,
No, it's chicken.
I'm not sure. That is totally different to anything I've had. It's lamb, by the way.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Sorry.
My fault. And I think that's chicken.
Oh, really?
I got them all around. That is totally different flavours to anything I normally order. How cool is this? I normally go for some kind of curry, maybe even a spicy masala. That, wildly fiery from the beginning. Instant heat, but it's actually beautiful. Very flavoursome. There's a mild level of heat that's around my mouth right now, sitting on my tongue like a warm duvet. All right, cool. Let's try and cool that down with some onion rice. But wow, what flavours? Onion rice. Get that starchy taste of the rice with strands of finely chopped, delicate onion. There's been a few Indian Bangladeshi restaurants that I've been to that have a delicate feel about them. This is definitely one. Far too many, come with runny sauces, low level stuff, mass produced. This has definitely got that little bit of spark, a little bit of X factor, a little bit of special seasoning of its own. Let's try this.
That's the chicken, yeah?
Yeah. The shashlik balti. Wow. I'm gonna give you some to try, Jess, on camera. Hold on.
Oh, really?
Try that. Absolutely delicious. Try some of that keema.
Holy smokes.
This is a party, a sensation of flavours.
That's so good.
That is absolutely outrageous. Let's quickly try these. Appreciate we run out of time. It was longest food review, but you know what? You guys wanted more sit down. The food's like this. Bombay potatoes, incredible. Sagaloo, let's try some of that. Look at that, look beautiful, delicate.
Oh, hang on. Hang on.
See the spinach on that?
Yeah.
It's very difficult for the camera to pick it up in this low light.
Cameraman.
If you're watching this now and you think you know a Indian, Asian restaurant like this that can equally back up fucking hell, the flavour train, you okay? Please tag them in the comments now. I'm on the hunt.
Look at that naan.
Look at that. Wow, look at that blistering air
many-
bubbles.
How many people do you reckon have ordered an Indian watching this now?
Do you know what, Jess? It's the nation's favourite.
It is.
For a long time, the nation's been
Our
cast.
viewer favourite as well.
Yeah, it was, yeah. We did a poll, and you guys answered that you wanted to see more Indian food. Fact. Oh my God. A shashlik balti with garlic naan. Right, guys. Time to give this a score. I feel like I'm whispering. This is so intense. It's so intimate. I actually feel like you guys are sitting with me at the table. We've ordered a lot of food here. And me and my wife are going to sit down and enjoy this and really dissect it. Drink watch, Coke. Sometimes with a curry, with a take like this. Coke is nice. I'm driving. Didn't want to get myself ploughed into a bunch of kingfishers. So, Coca-Cola, welcome to the page. Like you could do with the exposure, to be fair. We're not about no Pepsi Max hype on this. Right. 3,800 people have said this is a, what is 5.1 out of 6? That's in a percentage, Jess.
I don't know.
That's well into the 9s, isn't it? 8s? High 8s? I think I'd go one better than that. This isn't, for me, this is in the low 9s. Low 9s. Exceptional. Delicate.
That's
Very friendly. This here, as a dish, as a one-off, the shashlik balti, exceptional. Beautiful. It's a delicate, air of something special about this place. And I'll arc the food being this good. I'll arc back to the beginning of this video if anyone's still watching. Hello. Where for them, it's all about the service. Simple as that. I absolutely love that. So I'm going to give this a 9.2. Very, very good. Is this the best curry in Cambridge? Who do you think could be your takeaway champion? Let me know. Get in the comments. Thanks for watching, everyone. And that was a review.